So I'm going to show you how to install the Sims 4 on your MacBook Neo. So if you want to play that game, you can actually do that on your MacBook Neo. First thing you want to do is install the EA app on your MacBook. I have a whole video on that, so I'm not going to go through that here. I just linked that video down in the description so you can see how to get this installed on your MacBook Neo. Anyway, once you have it installed, the next thing is to launch it and sign into your EA account. Once you're signed into your account, just wait for everything to load up. And then now you can go and find the Sims 4. You might see it in the suggestions, or sometimes you might have to go to the search function and search for it. Or if you've already used it before, you can go to your library and find it there. Now for me, Sims 4 is just right here. So all I have to do is click on it. It's free to play. So you can just simply start the download process, and that's going to get Sims 4 downloaded onto your Mac. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.